Hey everyone, let me just start off by saying that life is an illusion. I know it may be hard to realize that because we kind of don't think about every little aspect of our lives. We don't need to, there's no purpose unless you just want to kind of understand deeper for the sake of knowledge and maybe innovation. But with that being said, let's jump over to my presentation and get into the details for why that is. So, this first image you're about to see is that of a television with a yellow screen. Let me tell you that the yellow we are looking at in the screen is not actually there. There is no ounce of actual yellow on this TV screen. I know you may be wondering, like, the heck? Like, clearly the screen is yellow. But let me say that if we were to zoom in to the pixels that are producing this image, what you would get is no yellow. You would zoom in to three unique pixel colors: red, blue, green. None of those give us yellow. And so, what I'm trying to get at is that all the colors that you see on your TV screen, they are just illusions composed out of three specific pixel colors. That is it. And so that might be bizarre because it's just like, what? Like, there is no physical yellow, but somehow these pixels can fool us, fool our vision into assuming that there is yellow. And so this leads to the analogy of something that also produces this same pattern, and that is our human eye. If you go to the back of the eye, you have something called the retina. The retina is a thin layer of cells, and within these cells, you have two specific types, but we're only going to focus on one called the cone cells. The cone cells have three unique different types of cell receptors: red, green, and blue. See the analogy? It's the same thing with the TV. It's sort of, but the idea is the principle still the same. You have only three different types of color receptors, and with these three different types, all the colors in the rainbow are produced, and that's how we see these colors that aren't really there. It's an illusion due to these cone cells. And so that's just something I wanted to share, and hopefully that was insightful. See you guys next week.